Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change your EIN on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. Changing the employer identification number in Shopify is a critical step for ensuring your tax information is correct, especially if you've updated your business structure or need to make adjustment for tax reporting purposes. So the first step that you should do is update your tax information. Shopify uses your tax settings to manage your sales tax, and if your EIN has changed, you may want to update your tax settings to reflect this. The steps to do that are logging into your Shopify admin, then navigate to Settings, Taxes and Duties, choose the region where you need to update your tax information, update any tax information or make necessary adjustments to reflect the new EIN, especially if you use a third-party tax service integrated with Shopify, such as Avalara. Update your payment provider if needed. So, if your EIN changes is tied to how you're handling your business finances or tax reporting with your payment provider, you'll need to update the tax information with that provider. For Shopify payments, go to Settings and Payments in Shopify. Under the Shopify payment, click on Manage. Here you can review and update your banking and business information that might be tied to the EIN. Contact Shopify support if your EIN change directly affects how Shopify Payments manages your tax information. For third-party payment providers, if you're using a third-party provider like PayPal, Stripe, or others, log into their dashboard and update your business tax information, including your new EIN. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.